Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Chris. Today I'm going to Target to find out what vegan products they have right now, this time of year. It's fall, so I'm hoping they have some fall themed things. Let's get to it. All right, here we go. First off, we have this oat barista creamer, silk creamer. In fact, we have a whole entire refrigerator filled with vegan creamer. As you can see, almond based oat, we have pumpkin here, and the vegan products, they just keep growing. They keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And when you can find so many different products that are all vegan, I think that's a huge win for veganism. This wasn't like this back when I first went vegan, so it's good to see. Here we have oat silk. I haven't tried that one yet. We have the Oatly, the Ripple. And over here we have Miyoko's butter, the Chow cheese, and the Hodo soy tofu, all of which I can say are really good. This is a perfect example of why I don't like things to say plant-based. I like them to say vegan because this could easily trick somebody to thinking they're vegan, but as you can see, the third ingredient down is honey. So don't be tricked by the plant-based label. Always read the ingredients. Here we have purple carrot. These are all vegan. It says vegan right on the front here. This is Gardein meat that they're using. So I haven't tried these yet. Let me know in the comments below if you have, if they're good, if they're not good. I like to know. $4.49 for one of these meals. And then Gardein, all of their products are vegan. So Gardein has the ultimate chicken tenders, the chicken nuggets. I did try these. I can say they're really good. And here we have the chicken fillets, which also I really like. Their ultimate falafel burger. I have not yet tried this one, but it looks good. I like falafel. Their burger, plant-based burger. And here Target has their own plant-based meatless beef style patties for $3.49. And their falafel. I like the falafel. Wonder Nuggets. I haven't tried these before. This is Mediterranean lentil. And they say vegan right on the front of them for easy reference. Harissa bean. And here we have turmeric lentil. Non-GMO vegan, $5.99. Holy Veggie Ranch cauliflower wings. Again, I have not tried these before, but they are vegan. They say it right there up at the top of the box. We got the buffalo cauliflower wings. I love buffalo cauliflower, but haven't tried that one. Now this is Tattooed Chef Pesto Harvest Bowl. It says vegan and gluten free. Here's some of the ingredients, and they have several products. I only saw one that was only vegetarian, not vegan, but we have the plant-based burrito bowl. I actually tried that today. It wasn't bad. The veggie hemp bowl, the Buddha bowl, and then they have these other two products here at Target that I found. The cauliflower spaghetti with vegan bolognese, gluten-free and vegan, and the sweet potato gnocchi with plant-based butter and sage. That sounds really good. Gluten-free and vegan. Tattooed Chef. They're a little bit pricey though, $8.99. Of course, they have the Oatly. This isn't new, but they have it. It's good, so delicious. The Ben & Jerry's, all the vegan flavors right here. And they used to have a Target exclusive, which I don't see. But fish food is by far my favorite. And they also have these cookie dough chunks, snackable dough. They're okay. They're not my favorite. Different vegan. These Magnum bars. Now these right here, these are the Target brand non-dairy ice cream. Now I contacted them. I asked about a couple ingredients to find out if it's in fact vegan. It looks vegan, but I will leave in the comments below. I will pin to the top what they say. They're supposed to get back to me in a couple days. So if you're looking at this video now, just go down to the comments and see what the answer there is. We have the vegan dressing, which is like a vegan mayonnaise, $2.69, the Target brand. And then you got the Hellmann's, you know, you can't beat them, you got to join them kind of thing. And they also have this dressing spread, which I have tried and it's pretty good. The Biscoff and Go, these are also pretty good. Biscoff makes the cookie butter and they're vegan. Annie's Vegan Mac. Now, I never thought I would be going to a store and finding several brands, several different versions of vegan mac and cheese. I mean, this is awesome that they have this, but they have a bunch of different ones. They have the gluten-free mac with the cheddar flavor, the original vegan mac, cheddar flavor. They have a few different ones, which is really cool. Chia seeds are really good for you, so pick up some of those. put them in your smoothie. We have egg replacer if you're baking. This always worked for me. And of course, what vegan can do without this nutritional yeast? And it's $6.49. Nope, it's $4.69. And then we have some granola, pumpkin pie granola for that time of year. We're in October now, so everybody happy October. Here's some of those ingredients for you. And we have some of this Good Gather organic cereal. I have tried both of these, and I gotta say I like both of them. Those Frosted Flakes and the Peanut Butter Puffs, they're all really good. Even the sugar is organic and vegan. Now here's a new product, the Off the Eden Path. These are Veggie Crisps, and we have a couple different flavors here. Some of the ingredients, and this is rice, peas, black beans. Haven't tried that one, so if you have, let me know in the comments below. Sea salt and black pepper. I have tried these, and they're pretty good, I have to say. Made Good. They have some pretty good products too. They also have the Rice Krispie treats. I didn't see them here at Target, but I've seen them at Wegmans. And Bobo's. Bobo's has a bunch of vegan products. And these oat chocolate chip bites. And then they have some protein powder, the Orgain organic protein. I'm surprised that most of the protein powder at Target is all vegan. So just look for the ingredients there. Orgain is vegan. Garden of Life, organic protein, vanilla, says vegan right there. And Vega, all the Vega products are vegan. And it says it right down there. They used to have my favorite 22-day nutrition here, but I don't see it anymore, and I'm kind of bummed about that. But they still have other vegan ones. Now, deodorant. I've tried so many deodorants in my lifetime as a vegan, and most of them don't work, but I like Schmidt's. Schmidt's works. I actually got that charcoal one. It's a little pricey at $7.99. Native is also another good one, but at $11.99, it's almost too pricey for me. Bachi's Bakery Krispies. I found these. These are dog treats. And there's the ingredients for you. These are a little bit pricey, so I didn't pick them up. I actually grabbed the peanut butter ones right here, the Buddy Biscuits. Indy and Zeke love these. They're a little bit more affordable. And if you're not making your own, which you can totally do, I have a recipe, you can get those at Target, $3.99. It's about that time of year, Halloween. Here's some of their Halloween decor, and we're gonna find out if they have any candies. Right there, vegan, gluten-free. Yum Earth. Yeah, so Yum Earth has a ton of vegan products. They're gluten-free, they're USDA organic, allergy-friendly. It says vegan right there on the bag. We got the gummy fruits. They have a ton of products. And lovely organic lollipops. I love seeing vegan on all these packages. Easy reference. They're definitely not health foods, but they are vegan. Here's their Yum Earth organic gummy fruits. There's no gelatin in here, so don't worry about that. I hope they're leaning towards making all their products vegan, because I know there's some that aren't. So don't just see the actual name of the brand and think they're vegan. Always look. And that's Target for you, but one thing that the dogs always love are the toys. Target toys. So check this out. Okay, so we got a bag right there. Indy. Let's see what we got there. We got a dog's head in a bag. Indy usually is the first one on this. What's he getting, Indy? Get it, Zeke. No, he's got a bag on his head. Zeke has a bag on his head. Did you get it?
Yes.
Oh, there we go. He's got a toy. Oh, and he's like, oh God, I see a toy. He's got a toy too. I've never seen. Hey, you want some help here? There you go. They both got their new toys. I've never seen the bag get stuck on his head. That's kind of funny. You got a new toy? Can I see it? Now he will walk around the house for the next hour. He's got, what do you got? What, you got, an alligator? Did that make a noise? Indeed. And that's that. And there you go, guys. Did you see how fast my beard grew?